Right. So hello everyone. So after the long days, we people I came back to tell something about our syllabus, right? So everyone remember, I think so. Our paper has the 2 units in your paper. That is C language totally fully. Okay, 1 unit is already completed, right? So in the 1 unit I covered what topics. I remembered everyone. So what is the C introduction and how the C language is for formation, C foundation and C features, then C tokens. Okay, so then after character set, then we'll discuss about the C programming structure. Then after control statements. So in the control statements we will write the different programs on the if, simple if else, if ladder, then while, for, while, do while, like prime number program, prime factors program, and like etc. So many programs I wrote already. So just now I discussed today a different topic that is a very important topic everyone knows, that is arrays. So what you mean by array? Actually, array is a group of similar data items shared with the same name. So again I repeat, array is a group of similar data items shared with the same name. So I write the definition here. So listen everyone, array is a group of similar data items shared with the same name. So let I explain. This is a very interesting and very important also. Array is a group of similar data items shared with the same name. Okay. So let's say explain here. So for example, I want to declare two integers. What we do simply int a comma b. So one is a and one is b. For example, I want to declare more than two. What we do? For example, I want to declare 5. C, D, E. Okay, right. So for example, I want to declare more than 5, 10. So if you go for A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, I. If I want to declare more than 10 or more than 15 or more than 100, what we do? Let me take the same style of declaration. What happened here? So the thing is what here? We are confused here. What is which number is belongs to which character? We doesn't know. Like say this type of confusion starts in your minds. For that, for simplification, there is a topic introduced in array. So I explain with this example with topic. Array is a group of similar data. So similar means all of the same type of data we need to declare. For example, all of the same data. Similar means what? All of the same data. So okay, similar data items shared with the same name. We want to give a different names. We want to give a different names. We can declare. We can give a only simple name. We can give a same name. We can give a same name. We can declare more data items with only one name. How it is possible? That is possible with the array. So again I explain. Array is a group of similar data items shared with the same name. Okay. So let's write the same declaration example. So let you understand everyone. So data type, the syntax, how to declare an array. Data type, array name and size. So data type means either any of here integer, character or float, like your C standard data types. Like your C standard data types, integer, character, float. Array name, you can give any identifier of any of the token. So what are the rules for identifier? You can follow the same thing here also. Size, what is the explain? Before going to the size, I want to explain what are the types of arrays first. What are the types of arrays? Actually, how many types of arrays here? What are the types means here? How many types of collections? First of all, we need to discuss here. So array types are actually 3 types. Array types are actually 3 types. So one is, so array types are 3 types. Array types. One is one-dimensional arrays. One-dimensional array. Next one is two-dimensional array. Third one is multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, so the types of arrays are actually three types. One is one dimensional arrays, second one is two dimensional arrays, third one is multi-dimensional arrays. So let I explain the first one is what you mean by multi-dimensional. So what you mean by one dimensional arrays. Okay, so what you mean by one dimensional array? That's the definition of the array is the same for one dimensional array. So what is the definition of array? Array is a group of similar data items shared with the same name with one subscript is known as one dimensional array. Again I am explaining, it's a very simple and very easy. So group of similar data items shared with the same name with one subscript. With one subscript means what here? For example, data type. So array name. So I mentioned here what? Size. So this is one subscript followed by semicolon. So this is one subscript, and that means collection should be only one row, number of columns. The collection should be one row, number of columns. Collection should be one row, number of columns. For example, I am taking here. So integer a of 10. I am taking here. So integer data type. Here what? Integer data type. A is your array name. A is with array name. This is size. So this and subscript. This is subscript. Okay. So again I am explaining. One dimensional array means group of similar data items shared with the same name with one subscript. That means collection should be only one row, and I want number of columns. So that means for that we have to declare only one subscript. The size indicates what here? How many numbers in that particular row. Let us take integer. For example, if we go for another example. Not only for integers, we take every data we will take here. So character. So character B of 10. So then float. So C of 10. What you mean by here? So here A is a array name having 10 elements with the similar data items. A is a array name, so having 10 elements with the similar data items. What do you mean by similar here? Integers. All are integers. So for example, if you want to declare this type, we can declare in the old fashion. What we go for here? Into A comma B comma C comma D comma E comma F comma G comma H. Like we go for the number of different names we need to give for each and every number. That is a very complementary. I mean, not that is a very complex action. That is a very complex for confusion, for understanding which number belongs to which variable we doesn't know. అంటే మనకి ఏ నెంబర్ ఎలా తీసుకుంటున్నాం ఎక్కడ ఉంది ఇవన్నీ మనకు కన్ఫ్యూజన్ ఉంటాయి కాబట్టి సింప్లీ array is a choose with array type easily we can declare here array. So A is the array name having 10 similar data items that are integer. Here also same. B is the array name having 10 elements. We have the similar data item, that is character. C is also array name having 10 elements with the float numbers. Okay, so this is the thing I am explaining. So again I am repeat the things which I discussed right now. Array is a group of similar data items shared with the same name. Okay, array types are the three types. One is one dimensional arrays, two dimensional arrays, and three dimensional arrays. So not three dimensional, we can call it multi-dimensional, and because more than two we can call it a multi-dimensional actually. One dimensional means group of similar data items shared with the same name with one subscript. That means collection should be only one row with a number of columns. Okay, either it may be number of integers, either it may be number of characters, either it may be number of float numbers. Either should be any of C data type. Okay, right. So now we discuss another type.
Nine.
So another discussion is what? So after declaration of the array, we need to assign the values for the array variables also. Yes, generally after declaration of the every variable, we are giving the values. So generally a variable declare what is the procedure we need to give the values. There are the two types. One is giving value to the variable by assignment statement. Another one is by giving the value to by using read statement. Here also same thing, because array is also like a variable declaration. Here are the two types we are giving. One is by read by assignment statement. That is, so simply after declaration of the array, for example, int a of 10. I am telling you. Okay. So assigning the values for arrays here. So a of 10 equal to, like you write here. 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 7 comma 8 comma 9 comma 10. This is the one procedure. Okay, and another one, what happened when array will be created in the memory? So I said array is the name. Okay, so having 10 memory locations in memory, it will be created automatically. It will be created continuous 10 memory locations. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so 9. So when I declared array with 10 elements, what happened in the memory? It creates 10 memory locations with the name A, but the starting memory location index number is 0. In the C language, array index number starts with 0. So when I go for 10, it creates up to 9. Why? Because 0 to 9 is nothing but 10. Okay. So what is the name of this location? Simply A of 0. So A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, A of 5, A of 6, then A of 7, like A of 9. Okay, right? So A of 0, A of 1. First name of the name of the first variable is A of 0. Name of the second variable is A of 1. Name of the third variable is A of 2. Like up to the last variable, which is the 10. My declaration number is 10. Then the last variable name is A of 9. Okay. So then only we can call here A is the same name with the different numbers. The index number starts with 0. And one thing is important, I am telling here, that memory locations are attached here. I am telling. So one memory location is created one place and another memory location is created another, not like. So when the memory is available, then only the location will be created. For example, I will integer how many bytes required, 2 bytes will be required. So I go for 10. I need 20 bytes of the memory in my memory. So your memory having 20 bytes, okay. One place having 7 bytes and another place having 8 bytes, another place having 5 bytes, for example. So like this style happen, your array is not created. Why? Because it's not to be continuous. 7 at one place, 5 at one place, 8 at one place. 7 at one place, 5 at one place, 8. Okay. Or totally it to be 20 bytes, but it not to be continuous. So when it to be created array, so like here only 20 bytes will be available, then only the array will be created. So that is the major drawback of array actually. Why? Because what happened to see, for example, while I am trying to copy a file into your mobile memory or whatever it may be, how much space will be available we need to see. But it to be continuous or it to be having different places, it doesn't bother. But whereas array, it is only for continuous, then only it to be created. So another definition of the array is having, array is a group of similar data, like array is creating continuous memory locations. Continuous, and another definition of the array is homogeneous location. What do you mean by homogeneous? Similar data items. Homogeneous, similar, everything will be same definition. Okay? So when I create the array, what happens in the memory? There's 10 memory locations, 10 continuous memory locations. So when first location number, first index number will be sorted with 0, and last one is n-1. Last one will be n-1. Okay? So name of the first variable, first location is A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, like last location is A of 9. Okay. So when I allocate the values here, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10. So what is the first value of first location is 1. What is the second value of the second location is 2. What is third value of the third location is 3. Like here the value will be 1, but the index value is 0. Don't get confused, I am getting here. Once again, the value will be 1. So you can take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, whatever the value you want, you will take, no problem. But the location number starts with always 0. Okay? The location number always starts with 0. Okay? Right, A of 10. Okay? Right. So this is the procedure of one. Okay, one dimensional array means
close.
So this is I explained one dimensional array. So how to assign the values. Tomorrow we'll discuss with read statement how to assign the values with one dimensional arrays, and we'll discuss the two dimensional and multi-dimensional. With that once I close the topic. Okay, bye.